So here what I'm doing is I'm getting ready to, I've just finished glazing and I'm getting ready to clean up my glaze container. So I'm just going to go ahead and I want to wipe off as much of the glaze on the side of the container as possible. And then I'm going to take my brush and I want to wipe off like just as much of the glaze as I can get into a paper towel. I don't want to put a lot of glaze in the sink. Okay, so you can see that looks a whole lot better. I don't want to put the glaze in the sink. I want to put it in the paper towel so I can throw that excess away. And then I just come over to the sink and we make sure we turn on some water. We're going to rinse in the rinse bucket first. Just kind of get the worst of it out just by swishing it around. And then rinse it out the rest of the way. Of course, this would be way easier if I had both hands, but you'll get the idea. What I want to do is rinse that out really good, and then some soap. And then hopefully you'll be able to see this. I'm just going to take that, wipe it back and forth. Make sure I get all the glaze out of there. Rinse it again. Squeeze the water out. Shake the brush. And that part's done. And now I still need to deal with this. So what I'm going to do there is take the cap off. I think you guys can be able to see this. Take that cap off and clean hands, and I'm just going to press or take my hand and sweep this stuff back into there. Put it on my finger, wipe it back in, wipe it back in, wipe that back into the bottle until all of this is empty and I've got the majority of it cleaned out of there. Okay. And then I can throw this away. Lid back on and make sure it goes back into the correct box.